In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you download and install Claude, how you can download, install, and set up Claude. So let's get started. If you're looking to get a 20% discount on Hostinger, then use the referral code in the description below, or go to the Hostinger website, and in the website URL, add question mark, referral code is equal to swebdev, and press enter. The code will be applied on checkout. So let's continue with the rest of the video. So just go to claude.com/download, okay, and then click on download for Windows, or if you're on some other system, you can just choose one of those as well. It also comes for mobile, okay. After that, just download for Windows, click that, then it will start downloading it. Then click this, it will start installing it. It wants to access my camera. I'm gonna select no for now, but I'm sure you can go to the settings and change this. So I'm gonna say get started. I'm gonna put in my email. Okay, I signed myself in using my email. You have all of these as well. Okay, then you can ask it to do all of these different things. Okay, can even go and install Claude Code separately. Okay, I'll make a separate tutorial on this, but now this is this. You can start new projects. Okay, and you also have artifacts, which is going to be empty for now because I just don't really have anything. This is a fresh installation. Then you have customize. You can add skills. Okay, you can create a skill with Claude, write skill instructions, or upload a skill itself. You do upload. Okay, drag and drop or click to upload. Okay, it basically allows you to add a .md file and a .zip file or a .skills file. Okay, must include a skill.md file. Okay, so that is that. You have to get one of the plans to use Claude Code. Okay, by default, Anthropic has the skill installed already, which is the skill creator skill. Okay, and you also have connectors, so you can connect to GitHub itself or Gmail or Google Drive or something else. Okay, can add more connectors. You can add a custom connector or browse different connectors. Here is a list of all the connectors available, okay, for all of these different things. You can even browse skills. I think these are the Anthropic skills. For any other skills, you would have to separately go and get skills. And a good website for that is skills.sh, okay? And plugins, here are the plugins for design, doing PDFs, human resource, project manager, etc., etc. Okay, let's do project. Okay, you can add some context to this, like some documents or something like that, give it some instructions, then chat. Then you can add files or photos, add projects, skills, add connectors, plugins, even have web search on. Can even add apps and extensions, it seems. Okay, so Claude Design. Again, this requires you to have a upgraded account. You can add Claude Code to any of this, like VS Code or something like that. You can even add a Chrome extension. Okay. Okay, so it's done making this. I'll expand this so we can see better. Yeah, it's very simplistic, but it's fine. But it does make a website. Okay, and it is a React site. Download SGSX, add to the project, publish the artifact yourself. Okay, and you can look at the code. Also add slide animations to it as well. You can open it in VS Code as well. Wow, okay, it put it in the download section. Okay, so I'm gonna have to change the location of this because this isn't right that it ends up putting this in the download section. Okay, but it gets the job done. It worked. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.